Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you English names of colors. So let's see. Number 1, red. Red. Red means lal. Red means lal. Number 2, orange. Orange. Orange means Komola. Orange means Komola. Number 3, yellow. Yellow. Yellow means Holud. Yellow means Holud. Number 4, green. Green. Green means সবুজ. Green means সবুজ. Number 5, blue. Blue. Blue means নীল. Blue means নীল. Number 6, indigo. Indigo. Indigo means গাঢ় নীল. Indigo means গাঢ় নীল. Number 7, violet. Violet. Violet or purple. Purple. Violet or purple means beguni. Violet or purple means beguni. Number 8, black. Black. Black means kalo. Black means kalo. Number 9, white. White. White means সাদা. White means সাদা.